City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video, I'm giving you guys all of the motivation you'll need to get something done. That's including spring cleaning. I got lots of laundry to do and just overall tidying up our space. We actually just went on a small vacation this past weekend, so I have lots of catching up to do. So if you are needing some motivation to get something done, this is definitely the video for you, and I'm excited to take you guys along.
Trying to get you on my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going.
The first thing we're going to do is tackle this white load. So I'm going to go ahead and hang these shirts up, and then we have some socks to put up as well. So I'm just going to tidy up this room overall, and then we're going to deep clean the bathroom next.
So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should've known.
So in the bathroom today, we're going to deep clean the toilet. We are going to tackle the shower, the tub as well, and then I'm going to clean the sink. So when I first came into the bathroom, I was not going to tackle the tub. I was just going to do the toilet and the sink, but I was like, might as well go ahead and deep clean everything since I'm already tidying 2 of the 3 main things in the bathroom. So we're going to go ahead and deep clean everything. And then I also recently purchased a new soap dispenser. The other one was cracked, so I just got the exact same soap dispenser at Marshall's, and then I'm just switching over the soap. And then I'm also going to wipe down the cabinets. That's one thing I told myself I was going to stay on top of this year, is wiping down the cabinets in the bathrooms and the kitchen quite often than not. And then we are going to move on to Eleni's room, where we will be tidying up her space as well.
I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed.
So another thing I wanted to make sure to do, that's a part of my spring cleaning, is washing all of my linens. So today we're going to take the shower curtain off, and I just purchased that shower curtain from Target, so it is washable. It's like a linen fabric. So I'm going to throw that in the wash along with my bathroom rug. The bathroom rug I wash pretty much once every 2 weeks or so, but I'm going to go ahead and throw that in the wash as well.
How much you're messing with me? 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 How much you're messing with me?
So I'm just using Mrs. Meyer's today to deep clean everything. Sometimes I'll use like an actual disinfectant spray, but most of the time I'll just use Mrs. Meyer's for the sink, the toilet, as well as the tub area. So I'm going to use that to wipe everything down, and then inside the toilet I'll use like my toilet bowl wand that has like the refillable sponges on it. And then the tub area, I actually use a toilet bowl cleaner as well. It just seems to leave a shine, and it's easy to get the residue off. So those are pretty much the few things that I'm using to deep clean the bathroom today.
I wanna let you go, but it's not time to nose me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow.
recommendation I do have though when washing your shower curtain, especially if it's like fabric material, because I learned the hard way, whenever I put it in the dryer, it shrunk, the previous one that I had, so I actually had to toss that one. But definitely put it on low. Whenever you put it in the dryer, put it on your lowest setting possible, and so that way it doesn't get too hot to where it shrinks. So I definitely recommend that. Also, whenever you are washing it, I would put it on like your most delicate cycle. So definitely learn from me. Make sure to use those settings whenever you are washing your shower curtain.
Yellow, yellow, it hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches, we tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches, we tried too many times. No one knew you like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side.
It definitely did take me a little bit to go back to that pile of laundry, but we are going to tackle it towards the end of this video. So I can say I procrastinated to get to the laundry because it is definitely not my favorite chore. But so we're going to go ahead and mop the bathroom, and then I'm going to go ahead and switch over the shower curtain and bathroom rug, and then we're going to move into the bedroom. So all I really need to do in the bedroom is make up the bed and just tidy up our nightstands, and then we'll move on to the next space. Talked about this in the previous video, but I am going to be doing a little bit of a room makeover in this room. So I did purchase 2 lamps, one for each nightstand, and then I purchased some artwork to go over the bed as well. So I'm excited to show you guys that. It should be coming out within the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that video. If you are enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel here. I post on cleaning, organizing, laundry motivation, anything to inspire you to get something done. If you are needing that type of motivation in your life right now, you'll definitely love it here, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community here. So I definitely wanted to do a little bit of deep cleaning here. I know in the previous video I cleaned underneath the stove. I wiped down all the appliances. One other thing I need to do is clean the cabinets. I also wiped down the bar stools as well. So I'm sort of going through this phase of, for spring cleaning, I'm just tackling maybe 1 or 2 things a week. So today I'm going to tackle cleaning underneath the stove area. So like underneath the hood, and all I use is Dawn Power Wash to clean underneath here, and it worked great. So I just sprayed it, let it set for a little bit, and then I just took everything apart and wiped everything down and put everything back. And honestly, it took me like 10 or 15 minutes to do everything, and it was definitely much needed. Not too bad, but definitely needed.
The sky is blue, the sun is high. Sitting here on my own, I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright. To me that's alright. I spend my days just dreaming about you. Well, now that's just what I will do. I'm telling you, the sky is blue, the sun is high. I'm sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn.
So we are pretty much finished in the kitchen. The last thing I need to do is just re-wipe the countertops. I feel like this is something that I do multiple times a day. I don't know, I'm just sort of anal about it, that I always want the countertops to be clean, no stickiness, no residue, no anything. But I'm gonna go ahead and wipe all of this down, and then we will move on to the next space. So now we are in Eleni's room. One of my spring cleaning to-dos that I really want to get done in her room is to go through all of her winter clothes. However, spring is coming, but it's not here yet, of course. So I'm gonna wait a little bit to do that. I always want to include her whenever we go through all of her clothes and things that we need to declutter and reorganize. But in here, I'm just going to make up her bed, and then we're just gonna take a few things off of her nightstand. And then I also need to start some laundry as well. So I'll do that later in the day, but for now we're just gonna tidy up her space and just get it back to normal.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space.
So now we are going to tackle this lovely load of laundry. Like I said, we are definitely a little behind just because we were on vacation, but we tried our best to, you know, wash clothes at the Airbnb. But of course, I still feel like you're behind whenever you get back with getting things done after being on vacation. But we're gonna go ahead and tackle this load, put all of this up, and then I do have a few things I wanna do in the living room, but it's honestly not too bad in here. If you need to get something done today, definitely go ahead and make that to-do list and let's tackle it together.
So you got in the end, you got in the end, but she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever, wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space, she leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better, make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want, but I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better, make her feel better. And that's where she'll go.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put this last little bit of laundry up. This is just Lee's stuff, so I'm just gonna put the hangers on and hand it to her so she can put it in her closet. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and take the shower curtain out and the bathroom rug, and then we're gonna go ahead and put that back where it goes.
Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want, but I'm not out here on my own. Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running.
So I'm gonna go ahead and throw one more load of laundry in just to give you guys one more piece of motivation. If you need to go ahead and start that to-do list, I hope this gives you inspiration to go ahead and start that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to get something done today. And as I always say, if that's to simply make your bed, I am still proud of you. And remember, it doesn't all happen in one day. So make that weekly to-do list. And if you just get one chore done, if that takes 10 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you need to get something done, definitely be proud of yourself by taking that first step. So I have some exciting videos coming for you guys. Thank you guys all for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.